ngilale ngendlala ngifasa ibhandi ubusuku bonke hardcore malamba nodajukele kunini lipeshwa lekanva selizikhathele nale chapa seze zanginyanya ngihlala ngibhodla indlala ngiphila ngebhantshi amabhiya ngiyancengisa igada ngiyancengisa inkaza ngihlala ngishaya ama-penalty ngishera nekhokho zamakota khona manje ngiboshelwa amasimbo kutholakala ngestage ekhoneni ngatrala Dexus manje ngenxa ye-200 yebheli ngiyabuya ngivula ikhawashi ethi ngigcwalisa abantwana benestradini ngidlala idisk ngihlatsha amabhodlela emkantsheni ngiyanishera niyangidlalisela ningibiza ngomnyamana ungcoli nalendlela ngisakwazi nokubloma sengibalekiswa endlala ngihlala ngincenga masefuna umakhelwane ngibukela ama-DVD ngibona nje ukuthi nginhlupho embongolo engafundi isikole ezofundisa abantwana babinsango all of the sums of all of the violence, the cries and all of the endless deprivation, swelling inside and coughing out a heartless, very, very angry and dangerous young lion with a semi-automatic assault rifle. Label me a dangerous criminal. Label me a crazy trigger, happy animal. Label me the incarnation of the devil. Don't get no demon who will his tomb. Label me a gangster because you could not save me while I was innocent. Nevertheless, life goes on faster. Kona wina slower, kona lose and zongchola kate sengazi kupanda sengazi jadlomlungu sengazi gazi logo fa sengabolu nemeza ngisakhathalele exchange. Kusa sengisesa ababusini ngivutha umlilo ngifuthe ngentela zasehostela nguDavid Beckham ngizistrike esiphezulu ngoma ngena aqala endlini yomlungu babe khona ngizobathatha ngazo arrest ngibadubule brutal ngibafaka emicrowave ngibele location kanti kumele kufe bani sibheva bathi lami phula ifastela ungena uvula umnyango wasekitchen wona umzimba omncane sesingaphakathi sigqoka amakhokho amagxaxa amafrijini amachiza amhlophe esibala wathi inhloko etoilet ngathi kunomuntu kulendlu sibala ungabaleki ngisho ngidubula nabo mambovu esibala nangumere ngamapresident usihle phansi kwebasini madam come here why do you hide madam come here my name is Makafula Vilakazi how many people are in the house where's the car keys where's the safe madam speak fast I'm a very very fast gun now sibheva ka ungazolo kubhekelele kuseroundini la le 24 shoot izophelela kuwo ngizokudla ngomthofi kuzovutha ibhola lomlilo hambe egarage uthatha imeli bumfasa umfake ekarini uthatha ihlamu lifake ebhuthini ukuthi le car amacula simthathe ngosituation simjinje simdubule sichitha amapopcorn emafensini qale Hillbrow Jomeni sithathe la manager ringa tournament isithola umpembu masibuye ngojini ka Veg silahle lo mthatho sebhuthini escrap yathi Sky conquest emfuleni sithole 2 nasibhaqama silale siqinile sivuke kuseni sebabone eThumshiyane sithole ngama top skipper nama long sleeve ama DMD sibuye sithengele lonke likusha ama brand aviko nina ngeke ngizwe ngane mina ngidela kufa ngumaraba maroni boma sibona izulu ngingikwazi beyiphupha ngomagwaze eqhozuka kumahleke bulawa ngunongolozo omdaka ngumelusi madada ngwabulawa igadwa zalo egaqo maphakwe phanda okwagwaza ngomaswayo okwazi abalazwa jike ekuzalwa bengafundilwa roof imali endlela umaphekwa ngesibhamu mina ngabo lenhliziyo ngisagqoka school shoes mina ngaphula ibhodlela ngisakhasa futhi sekunani kuphi ngikhulele toilet inyembe zami zwele egotrini zasesami club ya ngibhekene ngibuhle ngiphethe yonke inhlobo yemali ningazongitshela ukuthi imali egazi nani yaphanda ngendlela zenu lama drugs angwadla uwele ezulwini and then you point fingers abantwana beni masibabula ama overdose nywe ilo mfana ama trucks utamanda ko patrol lokishi ngesibhamu futhi sek uba nongcono la ezweni Makafula Vilakazi is 18 years old, has never seen a drop of high school dust. Makafula Vilakazi was born naked and suffering and designated to a high unemployment, high drug, high AIDS risk quarter kept next to a cozy Jewish suburb. His uncle is unemployed. His father is a little taxi driver. His girlfriend is illiterate and pregnant. His mother is AIDS, therefore his father, therefore his 6-month-old sister. His older brother was shot for a Kavela dealer in fight of Makafula Vilakazi with 12-year-old eyes. Mother, daughter of a domestic worker who fell in love with a Damara 1950s gangster. I will not judge Makafula Vilakazi smiling and dicing at Dagwing Gitekas. Harave Makonin full puts to let God judge the criminals.